Hello everyone, it's Rajita here. Welcome to class number 7 of our class series. I promised I would do 7 classes. Now here we are at our class number 7, which is the final one. So what are we going to do today? I'm not going to do any specific lesson on Python NumPy today, but I wanted to explore some resources where you can self-learn anything you want. So, so we've been doing some using some tools from NumPy module. So if you want to explore more on NumPy, you can just Google search NumPy, and there you can find the link to their library website. You can click that. Okay. The best place, if you are a beginner and a learner, best place to start is to go to the tab Learn. The tab Learn, you can find the right resources for your level of proficiency of Python. So there are resources for beginners and resources for advanced students. So tutorials, books, videos, all are available. So I think watching a video would be a good thing, done by a qualified professor, Alex. You go there. You can self-learn anything in this day and age. I don't like these YouTube ads, but what to do? I can't stop them from coming, especially the embarrassing ads when I'm doing a video like this. Anyway, so this is Professor Alex NumPy tutorial. So it's a highly recommended video. You should watch it if you want to master NumPy even further than what I taught you. Okay, this is a good one actually. You can tell just by looking at the slides. It's a really good tutorial, and he's explaining it really well. So please watch it if you want to further learn things. Okay. So that's a NumPy module. Then we briefly touched on the topic of matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library where use to uh, we can use to plot graphs, 2D graphs, 3D graphs. I only did the 2D graphs part. And you can extend it to learn the 3D graphs as well. So let us have a look at the matplotlib library. So that loads up the website, and the place to start for a beginner is I think, the tutorials tab. Go to tutorials. PyPlot tutorial. Go to PyPlot tutorial. So it explains everything you want to learn about plotting graphs and how you can code them in Python. Everything is nicely explained. It's just a matter of sitting on your chair or bench or floor, whatever, and read things and execute things. So that's a good resource. The next thing, the next library I wanted to have a look at is the scikit-learn library. It's a machine learning library. So I never explained anything about machine learning or artificial intelligence. That's a broad, different topic. Maybe we can cover some other time. So you can go to scikit-learn library website. You can find many different algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, yeah, dimensionality reduction, yes, things like that. So it's everything is nicely written and nicely explained and nicely presented in these websites. Let's go to classification. So it's a whole other topic, this machine learning and artificial intelligence. But it's nothing new. Everything is mathematical. If you can handle mathematics, you can handle anything. So it's this artificial intelligence or this machine intelligence is just an idea written logically, mathematically. So one can make use of that. So there we came to classification models. We can find linear models and stochastic gradient descent, what others, decision trees, and neural network models. Decision tree classification is a very common topic. You can read anything and do anything you want. Classification and regression. So what I will be covering in my channel is the mathematics of everything, like regression analysis and numerical analysis, optimization, some basics like calculus, linear algebra, probability theory, statistics. The mathematics that will be useful to understand what is happening inside this AI or ML algorithms. So if you want to learn some mathematics behind this machine intelligence course, you can go to the YouTube channel Kimia Lab, which is in the University of Waterloo, Canada. So there you have a machine intelligence course. Things are explained, everything is explained on the whiteboard. Everything is handwritten. So it is, you can take your time to understand everything. So I recommend this video series. You should watch it if you want to learn machine learning, machine intelligence. This series was suggested to me by my friend Dhananjay. So he's now studying at Johns Hopkins University, Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. Now, this professor's name, let me see. Oh, this professor's name is Professor H.R. Tishoosh. I apologize if I mispronounce his name. However, this course is really good. I can assure you that if you want to learn machine learning, machine intelligence, artificial intelligence, everything mathematically. So those are some of the basic resources I wanted to guide you through. Other than that, nothing more will be covered in this course, in this series. Next time, we're going to cover the mathematics of everything, like numerical analysis, optimization, the computational mathematics course like that, and some basic courses like calculus, linear algebra. So that's it. So good luck with everything, and we will meet with our next video.